morning, everyone. We will start the call. US markets were up around 1% yesterday. Asian markets are up between half to 1% today morning amid a global rally in and declining yields. In last 10 days, the US 10-year bond yields have declined from 3.5% to 3.07%. And this is the reason that globally markets feel that in the short term, at least, the yields have peaked out, and going forward, it will see how inflation pans out. Among global data, manufacturing PMI released yesterday in Japan, Europe, and United States. It softened in all these countries for the month of June. If we see US producers reporting they reported the first drop in new orders in 2 years. Manufacturing growth is slowing worldwide because of combination of factors. Firstly, on the supply side, if we see China's COVID-19 curbs and Russia's invasion of UK, that has disrupted supply chains and added to inflation problems. And now we are also seeing rising interest rates, which is beginning to hurt demand. Copper, which is supposed to be a proxy of global growth, it was at a 16-month low as investors worry about oncoming economic slowdown. Crude oil was stable at $110. I will now invite the technical team to take.
Yeah, thank you, Jian. Very good morning, everyone. This is Ayush Mehta. I'll be covering the technical. Yeah, so I'll be covering the technical part for today. So in yesterday's session, we have seen a huge rally in the first half. Then in the second half, there was a huge sell-off, and again in the last 1 hour, we have seen a huge buy rally in the index. And so we have already mentioned it yesterday also that it is going to be a volatile market. So, and it was like that yesterday. Well, for today, if we take the cues from the global market, SGX is looking almost 85 points up. So we feel Nifty is expected to open on a gap up note, and it is going to be a positive move during the day. It can be volatile, but we feel it's going to be a little positive. So for now, the Nifty has an immediate resistance, which is a swing resistance of 15,742 800 levels. So till the time Nifty is stuck in those levels, new fresh buying will not be there. Closing above 15,800 is necessary for that. And for the immediate resistance, Nifty is for Nifty, it is at 15,650. And next would be 15,740, followed by 15,830. As I said, 15,800 on the closing basis is very important for Nifty. Whereas on the flip side, if we see a selling pressure, 15,440 to 15,350 will act as a strong support levels. Similar thing we have seen in Bank Nifty. The first few hours were positive, then dropped, then again it was positive. But it ended in green. So for today, we feel there's going to be a good rally in Bank Nifty as well. So for the immediate resistance for today is placed at 33,540 on the upside. And if we expect a closing above that, it may drag Bank Nifty towards 33,880 to 34,140 levels. And immediate support for this index is placed at 32,900 to 32,670. Positive Nifty Financial Services, it was mostly flattish in yesterday's session also. For the resistance, it's 15,200 followed by 15,270, whereas support is at 15,000 followed by 14,930. Positive stock, Maruti, as we had mentioned yesterday also, Maruti was looking good, and it was almost 6-7% up in yesterday's session only. We have achieved all our targets in the stock. For today, we feel PVR is looking nice. It has given a breakout of its channel, and one can have a long position for a target of 1870. We have already initiated a call in this stock. One can put a stop loss 1780 for a target of 1870. That's all from my side. I request derivatives guys to take the call forward.
Yeah, thank you, Ash. Good morning, everyone. So as for derivatives data, in yesterday's trading session, we witnessed that a good buying momentum was witnessed in second half. As for the OI positions and overall data points from the derivative front, we are seeing that all the data points are matching towards the buying momentum in the market, and a positive scenario is being expected as per the data points being created in yesterday's trading session. When we look at the yesterday's Y position, 15,500 to 15,200 strike, heavy call writer positions got added up, while against that heavy put writer position got added up, while against that call writer positions got liquidated. So this is a positive scenario. While we are seeing from last 3 to 4 days, India Nifty was continuously getting closed in a discount. While in yesterday's trading session, the Nifty got a premium of 16 points, so that is another positive factor. But India VIX came down around 2% down, around 20.80 level. So currently, as per the overall scenario, as we are witnessing from the derivative data front, we are seeing that the good buying has been witnessed from index front and also from the sectoral fund. As you look at the overall sector, auto sector and realty sector, these two sector looks positive. Selective stocks from these two counter would be Maruti, Eicher Motor, Asian Paint, and MFSL. These four counter looks positive in today's trading session. Thank you. That's it from the derivative front.
Yeah. So on the news front, no such news as which can impact the stock prices, but from what we hear, Hero MotoCorp will hike prices of motorcycles and scooters by up to 3,000 rupees from 1st of July to partially offset overall cost inflation. And among other news, SBI's MD yesterday in an interview said that banking system credit growth is improving month on month as well as year on year, and this is sustainable. Earlier, only retail loans was driving growth, but now even corporate loans have started to contribute to growth. RBI announced a couple of rate hikes. However, on the ground, the MD said he doesn't see any impact on current capex plans that the company are pursuing. And so rate hikes won't derail the current credit growth which we are seeing. He also said that overall NIMs will expand in short term as loans will get repriced faster and deposits will get repriced with a lag. However, in the longer term, NIMs will again settle at where they are currently. So that's all from us this morning. Thank you for attending. Have a good day.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel for in-depth interviews of India Inc. and press the bell icon so that you do not miss our updates.